plaintiff, Andre Bully, dated the defendant, and he claims she was so jealous that she didn't even want him talking to his ex, despite the fact that they have a child together. Andre's suing his ex-girlfriend for the cost of a truck. Defendant Francesca Clark insists that she had every right to be jealous because Andre not only slept with her best friend, but he also slept with her sister. Francesca refuses to pay Andre for the truck because she insists it was a gift.
Prove your case.
First of all, sir, I'd like to start off by saying how much the defendant is such a jealous and controlling woman.
How so?
When we were together, we couldn't go anywhere separately. We always had to be together. It got to the point where if she went to the bathroom, I felt I needed to follow her just so she can keep her eye on me.
Go ahead.
The next point I'd like to prove is with my ex-wife, my soon-to-be ex-wife. She didn't like her that much, so she didn't talk to her. She didn't want anything to do with her, so she felt that I needed to do the same thing. And I have a child with this woman, so I need to have some type of communication with her.
Is any of this true?
No.
You were controlling, didn't want him to talk with his wife? It's not your ex-wife, you're not divorced, right?
Correct, sir.
It's your wife.
Wife right now, but we are going through a divorce.
Wife.
Right.
Say it, my wife.
My wife.
You didn't want him to speak to his own wife?
Your Honor, he spoke to his wife all the time.
Did you get upset?
The only part I got upset about is when the text messages came across. When you're with someone else, you shouldn't tell anybody, female-wise, baby, I love you.
I agree.
And I feel I have the right.
Yes, I did, sir.
No wonder you
Your
had
Honor.
to be watched. Go ahead.
I feel, Your Honor, that I do have a reason, or had a reason, to be jealous of him for the simple fact he is a liar. He slept with my best friend and also my sister.
Don't tell me that.
Also my sister, just to get back at me.
That's not true, is it, sir?
No, that's not true, sir.
That's pretty low.
I have a statement from my sister stating that they were together, and from the other woman.
She shouldn't be saying anything either. She's
and the
not
other
on
woman
any
that
good standing.
stating that they were in a physical relationship.
Neither one of them should be in good standing with you either. Let's get to this breach of contract you're suing for.
The day that I got my taxes back, on February 25th, I received a total amount of $29.91, and that same day, Francesca told me that she found a vehicle that she could buy for the family because we were together at the time, and that she just needed to get the money and then she can go down and get it. Well, I told her to come over, get the money, and I do have a statement saying who was there from the witness.
Sister.
And the friend, and the best friend.
No, it was
Your Honor,
my roommate's.
my sister was not there that day.
It's my roommate's girlfriend at the time. She was there. She witnessed me give her.
You're a busy man.
It was my
roommate's girlfriend now.
Yeah, that's one.
She was just there helping out.
Her sister and her best friend.
There was another girl from the bar that left scratch marks all over him before he came back to me too.
Is that true also?
All this was during our little breakup.
That's 6. And you rest on the 7th day. Oh, anyhow, let's get on, sir. And by the way, this income tax money you received, half of that was your wife's.
Roger, yeah.
So how you call yourself giving it to her to do something?
Okay, the total amount was $5,982. We split that in half, which turned out to be $29.91.
And you gave the other half to your woman.
Right.
All right, gotcha. So your wife got one half, your woman got the other half.
Yes, sir.
How about the other ones that you half played? Did her sister get any of it?
No, sir.
No, he owes my sister money.
No, sir.
How about your roommate's friend?
Yes, I
your roommate's girl.
Oh, no, not her, no.
You're too confusing for me, sir. Let's move along. And the agreement was that she would do what?
She'd go get the truck, and then when she got back, she would put it in our names.
And what did she do?
She couldn't register it that day, so it was actually a Friday when I got the money. She had to wait till Monday to get the money, or to get the registration and everything. So that Saturday, we actually got into a fight, and I told her to put all my stuff into the vehicle and just leave it there, and then I'd pick up the truck and everything else.
And my sister was there again that night.
Go ahead, ma'am. Tell me about this truck.
It's a 94 Blazer. He did get his income tax on the 24th of February. A mutual friend of ours took him to Walmart. I have a statement right here from him, from where Andre told him that he was buying the vehicle for me and my girls. So then when he went to his mother's, because of his surgery on his knee, we would have it. And that Saturday, he flat out told me when I was helping him take a shower, because he couldn't take one by himself, to put it in my name. Because no matter what, we split up, no matter what, he wasn't taking it from me and my girls.
Okay, sir?
That is true, but that was on the basis that we were going to be together.
I'm not the one that ended
That's
it,
not
Your
what
Honor.
was said. What was said was precisely the opposite. If we are not together, you keep it. I want you and the kids to have something.
I misunderstood that. That is not accurate.
Yes, ma'am. You want to speak? State your name.
My name is Patricia Clark. I'm Franny's mother. And Andre sat in my house and told Franny that when he got his taxes back, he would buy a vehicle for her and her two girls as a gift so that she could take her kids back and forth to school, back and forth to the doctor. And this boy's like a rabbit. He's from hole to hole to hole. I mean, plain right down out simple. He is a player. He is slicker than Al Snot. I mean,
He what?
he is slicker than Al Snot. I mean, if he can pull one over on a woman, he's going to do it. He's done split up the relationship between two of my daughters. I'm just waiting for the third one to fall into the trap. And, you know,
Well, I don't have anything else for him to break into.
personally, the boy's got me mad enough, I could turn him from a rooster to a hen in one shot. Yeah, he's just...
You hear mama, don't you? You're a piece of work, sir.
Amen.
But you admit that you initially told them it was a gift for her and the children, and you said that was before you knew
That we were going to split up.
Right. You cannot make a gift and then because something goes wrong or you split up, you want the gift back. When you gave the gift for her and her children, the gift was complete. You cannot retract a gift. For example, if I give you some money and it's in your pocket, you say something I don't like, I have no legal right to say, give me my money back. I've given it to you. If you had said, I will give you a gift and change your mind, you can do that because the gift is not complete. But once a gift is completed, you can't take it back. And you cannot share in the ownership. You cannot do anything regarding that property other than ask for a ride. Your claim is dismissed, sir. Have a good day.
We weren't together, so it shouldn't have even mattered to her.
It's family. It matters to me.
You can't just walk out of one daughter's home and into another's.
That's a bond that will never be back.
Okay.